So, you buy yourself the PlayStation 5, and it comes with its official Sony PS5 controller. Awesome, right? Life seemed good until one day your friend comes by for some gaming fun, and then it hits you. One controller isn't enough. That's where our list of the best PS5 controllers comes to the rescue. Whether you are looking for a fancy PS5 controller offering advanced features and customizable looks, or even if you prefer a budget-friendly option for friends or family, we selected the best PS5 controllers for every need. 1. Sony DualSense. The Sony DualSense controller stands out as an elegantly effective choice that caters to the needs of most players. It will provide all the essential features that you will need. With a wireless and USB-C connection, 15 buttons, and a weight of 282 grams, this controller maintains simplicity without the need for validation. While the PlayStation 5 already includes one, having a second DualSense controller proves ideal for multiplayer gaming scenarios. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for hands of all sizes. It offers a sleek and premium feel. Notably, the controller introduces new features like haptic feedback, providing a more immersive and realistic vibration experience. The inclusion of tactile adaptive triggers adds to the sense of control, whether navigating a challenging turn in a racing game or swinging through a virtual city. Despite historical concerns about PlayStation controller battery life, the Sony DualSense controller stands out as a perfect choice for the majority of gaming needs and budgets. 2. Sony DualSense Edge Controller. The Sony DualSense Edge controller brings a touch of luxury with its sophisticated design and notable ergonomic back buttons. With both wireless and USB-C connectivity options, 17 buttons, and a weight of 300 grams, this controller is positioned as a top-tier choice. It is an elevated version of the standard DualSense model. Beyond the expected advantages, it integrates seamlessly with software, allowing users to fine-tune features such as adaptive triggers and haptic feedback. Notable customization options include the ability to tailor function buttons beneath the control sticks and the addition of 2 back button attachments. While it offers a slightly heavier feel, it maintains comfort during use. Despite these appealing features, the Sony DualSense Edge controller faces competition from third-party alternatives that boast more extensive customization options and superior battery life. While it might fall short of pushing innovation boundaries further, individuals who place value on the official Sony brand may still find the DualSense Edge controller to be an attractive option. 3. Scuf Reflex Pro Controller. The Scuf Reflex Pro is an exceptional gaming controller with advanced features, but it comes at a considerable cost. Offering both wireless and USB-C connectivity, featuring 19 buttons, and weighing 300 grams, it stands out as our preferred choice for gaming enthusiasts. What makes it truly remarkable is its extensive customization options, allowing users to personalize the colors of every component, from thumbsticks to triggers. Additionally, it includes 4 removable and remappable rear paddles, providing users with the flexibility to fine-tune their controller setup for a competitive advantage in gaming. Moreover, the Scuf Reflex Pro incorporates 3 onboard configuration profile options, streamlining the process for users who frequently play the same games by eliminating the need for constant remapping. While potentially offering a more comfortable gaming experience than the official model, it's important to note that the Scuf Reflex Pro can become progressively expensive as users explore additional customization adjustments. 4. Victrix ProCon BFG Controller. The Victrix ProCon BFG offers a cost-effective gaming controller option with extensive customization possibilities. However, a notable drawback is the absence of any feedback, including the absence of haptic feedback. Despite this limitation, the Victrix ProCon BFG maintains a competitive price point in comparison to other controllers in the market. Its innovative modular design allows users to tailor attachments to their preferences, whether opting for a taller analog stick, different D-pads, or even a flight pad module with additional face buttons. The inclusion of 4 back buttons enhances functionality, providing versatility for specific gaming commands. However, the frustration lies in the controller's noticeable lack of rumble function, contributing to an unusual gaming experience without haptic feedback or rumble sensations. Additionally, its relatively lightweight may impact user satisfaction, as some may prefer a more substantial feel in their hands during gameplay. Despite these considerations, the Victrix ProCon BFG remains an attractive choice for those seeking affordability and customization options in a gaming controller. 5. Razer Wolverine V2 Pro Controller. The Razer Wolverine V2 Pro has wireless and USB-C connectivity, 21 buttons, and weighs 279 grams. While having lots of buttons is useful, this controller lacks vibration and a precise design. It provides extra functionality compared to other controllers, but the buttons may not feel as good. The back buttons are a bit high, making them awkward to reach. It gives off a bit of an old-fashioned third-party controller vibe despite its good features. On a positive note, the wide thumbsticks are great for people with larger hands. It also has better battery life and feels solid in your hands, but it might be a bit uncomfortable. There's cool RGB lighting if you're into that. However, for the price, it doesn't feel as premium as you might expect, especially if you have smaller hands, as it could be a bit bulky for some users. 6. AIM PS5 Controller Top of Form. The AIM PS5 controller stands out for its imaginative designs, providing users with a diverse range of customization options. Boasting a wireless or USB-C connection, 19 buttons, and a weight of 335 grams, this controller offers an overwhelming variety of choices for users who appreciate personalized gaming experiences. With 50 pre-designed controllers as a starting point, users can further tailor each component with various colors. Upon arrival, the controller allows button remapping, offering a competitive edge, particularly in FPS games. The smart triggers and bumpers enhance precision, potentially impacting response times positively. The rubberized texture on the back ensures a secure grip, even during extended gaming sessions in warmer weather. Despite feeling a bit more delicate than other options, the AIM PS5 controller delivers effective performance, making it a reliable choice for gamers who prioritize both unique designs and functionality. And that wraps up our guide to the best PS5 controllers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more gaming content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!